Hey, what's up guys, this is Hussein from Impulsive Code. So today in this video I will share with you how you can set time zone in Laravel. I will be discussing both manual and dynamic way of setting time zone in Laravel. So I have open up here the PHP storm in which I have created folder test Laravel time zone. I have also installed the Laravel itself, and I have also created the welcome controller with the index function. So before doing anything, let's print out current time and date. So we can use Carbon library to print the time and date. So we can do that Carbon and now. So this will give us the date and time. Let me store in the variable date time, and then let's echo out the date and time. So if we open up the project, it will show us this time. So basically this time is UTC 0 time itself, and you can compare it with the, if you search the UTC time zone in the Google, you will see it's 3:03 p.m. and it's same as 3:03, I guess. Yeah, it's 3:03 p.m. So let's discuss the manual way of setting time zone in Laravel. By manual I mean we have to change the time zone in the file itself, and changing in that configuration file means we will be changing the time zone for the whole application itself. So in order to do that, we need to go to the config folder and in the app file. So in the app file you will see time zone itself, and it's currently set to UTC. Okay, so let's say I want to set to Europe Paris. So I will type Europe / and then Paris. Okay, so now if we refresh this page, it will show us the times of the Paris. So if we do something like Paris time zone, it's showing us the 4:06 p.m. and if we open up, it's 4:06 p.m. right? This is application level changing time zone. Now the whole application will have this time zone. But there can be some cases in which we need to change the time zone for the current request only. That's what comes the dynamic way of setting the time zone. So in order to do that, we need to change it back to the UTC, and we will go to the welcome controller. In the index function, we need to call the PHP's time zone setting function, which is date default time zone set, and in the arguments we need to pass the time zone itself. I will be setting the Europe Paris again, so it will be like Europe / and with the Paris. So now the time zone Europe Paris will be set for the current request only. So let us print this thing first. It will show the time zone of the Paris itself, which is 4:11, and it will show us the 4:11 time zone. Okay, so for example, if we copy this one and duplicate this, and let's name it index2, and then go to the web PHP, and let's add the index2 here, just to show you that the time zone will be affected for the current request only. So we need to go to the we can call it main to show the main time zone, and we just need to remove this one. Okay, so this I have done for showing it will be reflected for the current request only, and it will not be affected to the other requests. So if we do like this one, it will show us the time zone of the Paris. Okay, and if we do the main, it will show us the UTC time 0. So yep, that's it pretty much for the time zone in the Laravel. Let me know if you have question in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye for now.